Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Now today I want to give you some ideas for your upcoming term 1 examination. How you need to prepare yourself or in which way you must be preparing yourself to appear for your term 1 examination. Now first of all I'm coming to the syllabus portion. Now here from English grammar we were having chapter 1 to chapter 7 for our PT1 examination, and after that we are having chapter 8, that means from articles to chapter 15 future tense, simple, continuous, perfect continuous. Up to this we are having for our term 1 examination. But I want to say you that you will also prepare this chapter number 7, that means the chapter of pronouns. This one also you will practice or you will prepare for your upcoming term 1 examination. You know that every time it is written in the printed syllabus that PT1 syllabus is included in the term 1 syllabus. But this time what I have done to make your work or to make your load somewhat less, or to just help you, I decided that I will include only one chapter from so you need to prepare this pronouns, this chapter also for your term 1 examination. So for your term 1 examination you need to uh, study from chapter number 7, that is pronouns, up to chapter number 15 future tense from English grammar. I think it's quite clear to you. And for your this text part, that means from honeysuckle, you will include this house a home, the house a home for your this upcoming term 1 examination. And we have started how the dog found himself a master, how the dog found himself a new master. This one from here actually our term 1 syllabus, it is starting for our text portion, and it is getting completed up to this one, a different kind of school. Sorry, chapter number 5. So apart from this chapter number this one 2, how the dog found himself a new master, you need to include this poem, a house a home. So your term 1 syllabus, as I'm saying to you, you can note it down: a house a home, how the dog found himself a new master, the kite, Taro's reward, the quarrel, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, beauty, a different kind of school, where do all the teachers go. Sorry, I'm very sorry, I have forgotten to mention the poem, that this is also there in our term 1 syllabus. Where do all the teachers go? So this is the syllabus, starting from a house a home till where do all the teachers go. And from your this a pact with the sun. So from this a pact with the sun, the chapters which you need to prepare for your upcoming term 1 examination are the friendly mongoose, the shepherd's treasure, the old clock shop, and Tansen. Starting from chapter 2 to chapter 5, the friendly mongoose, the shepherd's treasure, the old clock shop, and Tansen. Now today from this book, A Pact with the Sun, I want to give you some ideas that what type of questions might come for your upcoming examination. I'm just coming directly to this chapter Tansen. So the questions might come like this, that Tansen's Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till dash when he died. Till dash when he died. So the year, the options which you might get. Don't think that these are all the questions which you are going to get for your upcoming examination. No, it is not like that. I'm trying to give you some ideas that how you must be reading, with what sort of interest, with what sort of concentration, and how deeply you need to study all these chapters. So, right, for example, if the options are given 1586, 1584, 1585, 1580. So if you don't know it is 1585, you will never be able to click the correct answer. Okay. Next, another example. Okay. Tansen taught the Rag Megh to two girls. They were, the options are, they were Saraswati and Lakshmi, Roopvati and Mrignayani, Roopvati and Haimavati, Saraswati and Ganga. Sorry. Last option is none of this. None of this. So the last option, it is correct. None of this. And if in a question you are getting the options like none of these or all of these, don't immediately click to those thinking that these two are the answers. No, it is not like that. You have to read the questions, you have to read the options, then only you can just think that which is the correct option, which is the correct answer. Another example I'm giving, not another, I will give you some more examples. Okay. Saukat Mia. Saukat Mia was a dash. Courtier, Jagirdar, soldier, none of this. So here the answer is courtier and not none of this. Then Swami Haridas was Tansen's dash. Music teacher, Guruji, teacher, all of this. Here the answer is music teacher, because Tansen didn't learn the way of reading from him or the way of fighting from him. Haridas taught him music, or Tansen learnt music from Swami Haridas for 11 years. Okay. Dash was, or better to say, Tansen got married to one of the ladies of the court. Her name was Dash. Shilavati, Haimavati, Hussaini, none of this. Answer is Hussaini, or Hussaini, yes, Hussaini. The name is like this only, Hussaini. Okay, Tansen went to Akbar's court in dash. These dates are very important. In whichever chapters you will get from Honeysuckle or from this Pact with the Sun, these dates are very important. These years are very important. Kindly give some sort of stress here. So the options are 1555, 1557, 1558, none of this. Here the answer will be none of this, because it is 1556. Okay. Next. A singer called Dash and his wife lived in Behat near Gwalior. So the options are Mukandan Misra, then there's Hussaini, then Swami Haridas, all of this. Now here you can get confused that Husaini, she was the one of the ladies of the court of Rani Mriganaini, and where she lived. If we read this portion, then we will come to know that Muhammad Ghaus used to live in Gwalior, and Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man. Mukandan Misra had long been devoted to him and often visited him. While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mriganaini. So you can get some sort of confusion here that Husaini is also a singer. Then Swami Haridas is also a singer, and Swami Haridas took this. Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. He lived with him for 11 years, learning music, and became a great singer. At about this time, his parents died. Tansen, okay, Mukandan Misra had long been this one. So you can also think that Swami Haridas also used to live in Gwalior. You can think like this way. But the appropriate answer is which one? Mukandan Misra. Because it is written that Mukandan Misra, a singer called Mukandan Misra and his wife lived in Behat near Gwalior. So why I have given this example, do you know that this sort of very near to the answer options you will get, very near to the answers options you will get. If you don't study properly, you will not be able to click the correct answer. So children, so many times I'm saying, and I will go on saying this one in each of my videos, whether it is offline or whether it is online or live class, I will repeat the same thing, that kindly go through all the chapters properly. Then only you will be able to click all the correct answers, otherwise not. Okay, some ideas I have given you from this text part, and the syllabus I have discussed with you in broad manner. Now I don't think you will suffer from any sort of confusion, but still then if you are suffering from any confusion, you can ask me through ePortal. Okay, bye then.